Alright guys, so in today's video, first things first, we're going to go ahead and clean this motor before I open anything because I don't want any of the old dirt and debris to go inside. And it doesn't make sense to install new seals and gaskets and then clean everything and get everything contaminated. So what we're going to go ahead and do is set you guys up on a time lapse of me cleaning all of this old oil, road grime debris off and getting everything ready for the new valve cover gasket, water pump, timing belt kit, front and rear main seal, and oil pan gaskets. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like videos like this, consider leaving a thumbs up and maybe subscribing. For the next video, what we're going to be doing is installing the rear main seal with this specialty tool that I picked up off eBay. And it fits perfectly over the rear main seal and allows a perfect installation without over installing to the incorrect depth. Yeah, however, if you are interested in watching this video, you can just click right here and it will take you straight to this clip.